Hey everyone, I'm Nicole Green, and today's video is your behind-the-scenes guide to staying in control when things don't go as planned with your grant. We'll talk about how to handle project delays, avoid compliance overkill, and juggle multiple grants without burning out. Because let's be honest, managing grants isn't always smooth sailing. Let's say your project hits a delay. Your vendor's late, your team is down a staffer, or enrollment is lower than expected. Here's what to do instead of panicking. Step 1. Communicate early. Don't wait until the report is due. Send a quick update. We want to keep you informed. Our start date shifted due to permitting delays. We're adjusting our timeline and wanted to share that early. Step 2. Offer a solution. Funders respect transparency when paired with a plan. We're modifying our outreach strategy and adjusting the scope from 100 students to 75. We expect stronger outcomes with this model. Step 3. Tie it back to goals. Always reconnect the change to impact. Though the delivery looks different, we're still meeting the core outcomes we committed to. Private funders are not federal agencies. They want accountability, but they usually don't expect formal audits, time and effort logs, or detailed procurement records, unless they specifically ask. So how do you reduce risk without overbuilding bureaucracy? Keep it clean, but simple. Use a single shared folder for all grant docs. Maintain a basic expense tracker. Log program updates monthly, even informally. Assign one person as the grant point of contact. Avoid compliance overkill. You don't need a federal audit checklist for a $10,000 private grant. Right-size your controls to your organization and the funder's expectations. Bonus tip: include a change log or decision tracker for the grant. Just a bullet point list that notes changes and decisions made. If you're managing more than one grant, and most of us are, you know how fast things can unravel. So how do you avoid burnout, double counting, or even mission drift? Tip 1. Align your grants to one master plan. Every grant should map back to a single strategic goal. If one's funding tutoring and another's funding tech access, connect them under your broader education initiative. This prevents you from building 5 different programs for 5 different funders and keeps your team sane. Tip 2. Create a grant calendar. Track deadlines for reports, renewals, and major deliverables. Use color coding to assign owners, then set 2 reminders per deadline. Tip 3. Coordinate messaging across reports. When writing reports, don't copy-paste, but don't rewrite everything either. Create a shared folder of impact stories, photos, and metrics that you can customize. So whether you're navigating delays, building lightweight risk systems, or juggling multiple grants, remember this: communicate early, track smart, not hard, and align everything to mission. Private funders want to trust you. Show them you've got a steady hand, even when things shift. What's your biggest grant challenge right now? Grab helpful templates here at https://thestartupshop.org/collections/templates- for nonprofits.